guys, it's me from It's Me's Mess Lab. Today, I'll make some delicious applesauce. Watch until the end to see the final result. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay, so what we will need are 4 apples, a little bowl used as a garbage, then we will need half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 of a cup of sugar, 3/4 of a cup of water, and a saucepan. Let's start by peeling the apples. Now you cut them in 4. Take the thingy in the middle out. Then cut them in 4 again. Then you put them in the saucepan. Now to the kitchen. Now cook on medium heat for 20 minutes. Put in your water, your sugar, and your cinnamon. Oh, and before I forget, the cover. They should be really soft, at the point of being cut by a spatula. Now, we'll need to take all the water out. Be careful, it's really hot. Now you put it in the bowl and you smash it with a fork. Or if you have a mixer, then you do it with a mixer. So I like this kind of consistency. I don't like it when it's too liquid. This is how it needs to be. Now get your jar and just put it in it. Yeah, so I kind of needed another one. There they are. Now put them in the fridge until cool. Okay, so as I told you, this is the final result. Let's try it.